A malfunctioning traffic signal at the intersection of Glenmuir Road and the Mapen Toll Road in Clarendon is being blamed for this morning's crash, which left a medical doctor with serious injuries. The male doctor was a passenger in a car which collided with a hearse sometime after 8. An alleged eyewitness says the stoplight has been faulty for some time.
On my way down, up and coming up to the traffic light, which the light wasn't working. The lady pulled out, going right, I was going straight, and there was a collision. The light defective, because on more than one occasion I pass here and the light not work. So the light definitely faulty.
Meanwhile, Ian Dyke, who assisted the crash victims by calling the public ambulance service, is urging that there be more improvements to the system. Mr. Dyke says it took more than half an hour for an ambulance to arrive.
The sore point about this thing, actually, was it took 45 minutes to really see a presence of an ambulance to assist the doctor on the ground in pain, serious pain and all these things. This could be me, you understand? It hurts because I could be in this situation. It really hurts because I could be the one in this situation. And that length of time, to me, it's not good, right? We need more resources, we need quicker response as it relates to these kind of accidents.